How's it going, math fans? Coach Joe here. And today we are going to work on some multiplication. We're going to do two-digit numbers multiplied by single-digit numbers, and we're going to practice them. And at the end, we're going to open up two packs from the new app, Pokemon Pocket. I'm super excited. The first thing we need to do is take a look at all of the possible packs that we can open up. You're going to put down in the comments which of the packs do you think we're going to open up. And then after we solve each math problem, we're going to eliminate one until there's only one pack left. Before we get started today, let's practice one of these multiplication problems. So here is our first equation, 24 times 5. As you can see, we have our two-digit number, 24, and then our single-digit or one-digit number, which is 5. So when we answer this question, we want to put our 24 on the top, and we want to multiply it by 5. Now, if you've never answered one of these questions before, there's a specific order that we want to multiply each of these numbers by. We want to multiply everything off of the 5. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take the 5 and we want to multiply straight up and do 5 times 4. After we do that, we're going to multiply the 5 and we're going to go diagonally up and then multiply it by the 2. So let's start off with 5 times 4 first. So 5 times 1, we have 5. 5 times 2, we have 10. 5 times 3, we have 15. 5 times 4, we have 20. So I have my 20 at the bottom, but I cannot keep two numbers in this column. So I want to keep my number that's in the ones column, which is the 0. And I want to take my number that's in the tens column, which is the 2, and I want to move it, carry it over on top of the 2. So we're going to take our 2, we're going to carry it on over on top of the 2. We're going to keep our 0 right underneath the 4 and the 5. Just like that. Then we're going to do 5 times 2, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, that's 10. And don't forget, we carried this over, so we need to add 2 more. 1, 2, and our answer is 120. 24 times 5 equals 120. If you got that right, give yourself a thumbs up. Awesome job. Let's take a look at which possible packs we're going to open up in our lesson today. So as you can see here, we have 4 possible packs. We have a Mewtwo pack, a Charizard pack, a Pikachu pack, or a Mew pack. Which of these packs will be the last one remaining and the one that we are going to open up 2 of at the end of our lesson? Take your guesses now in the comments below, write it down, and see if you are correct. Let's take a look at our next problem. Here is our next multiplication problem, 37 times 6. 37 times 6. I want you to pause the video, come up with an answer, and when you come back, we'll do it together. All right, you should have your answer written down. If you want to put it in the comments below, you can. 37 times 6. We'll write our 37 at the top. And we'll multiply it by 6. And remember, what are we doing? 6 times 7 first. So we want to do our 6 times tables. So let's get started. What's 6 times 1? 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. And 6 times 7 is 42. So I have my 42 at the bottom. Remember, I can't have both of these numbers down here. I want to keep my number that's in the ones, and the number that I have in my tens, I want to move over and carry it over on top of the 3. So let's do that. Let's keep our 2 right here, our 4 right here. And now we want to go diagonally up. 6 times 3. We already have 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3. I have 18. And I want to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I land on 22. And my answer is 222. 222. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. Fantastic, fantastic. And now let's eliminate one of our packs. The Pikachu pack has been eliminated. The Pikachu pack has been eliminated. We will not be opening up a Pikachu pack, but that's all right. We still got our Mewtwo pack, our Charizard pack, and our Mew Mythical Island pack. If you pick the Pikachu pack, you can pick a different one. If you want to switch your pack, go for it and switch it as we take a look at our next problem. 49 times 8. 49 times 8. I want you to pause the video, come up with an answer, and when you come back, we'll do it together. All right, we have our double-digit number 49 and our single-digit number 8. We want to put our bigger number on the top. Want to multiply it by 8. Let's do it. What's the first thing that we want to do? We're working on our 8 times tables. 8 times 9. This is a big one. 8, 9 times. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 9 is 72. So remember, I want to have my number that's in the ones, my 2, in that column. I want to take my number in the tens, the 7, and put it on top of the 4. Now remember, for this, we're going to add it after we do our multiplication. Next, we want to do 8 times 4. Well, I have 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, and 8 times 4. What number do I have here? 32. And I want to add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do I land on? 39. And my answer is 392. 392. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. 49 times 8 is 392. Awesome. Very good. Very nice, very nice. All right, let's see which pack is eliminated next. It is the Mew pack. The Mew pack has been eliminated. We are down to a Mewtwo pack or a Charizard pack. If you pick the Mew pack, choose a different one. If you want to change your pick, these are our final 2. Will it be the Mewtwo pack or the Charizard pack? Let's answer our last question, and then we'll find out. All right, here is our last problem. We have 64 times 9. 64 times 9. I want you to pause the video, come up with an answer. After you have it, resume the video, and we will go over it together. All right, you should have your answer written down. You can put it in the comments if you want. Let's do it together. We have 64 times 9. All right, let's talk about how we want to solve this. Remember, what do I want to do? Start at the 9 and multiply straight up first. 9 times 4. We're working on our 9 times tables here. Let's do it. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 4 is 36. Put my 6 right underneath the 4 and the 9. And take my 3 and put it on top of the 6. Remember, for this, we're going to add 3. So I'll put my plus 3 up there so I know I need to add it. And I want to multiply 9 times 6. Well, we already have 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36. So let's just keep going. 9 times 5 is 45, and 9 times 6 is 54. But don't forget, I need to add 3. 1, 2, 3, and I land on 57. So 64 times 9 equals 576. If you got that right, give yourself a really, really big thumbs up. Fantastic, fantastic. And let's take a look at which pack we're going to open. We are going to be opening a pack of Charizard Genetic Apex. We're actually going to open up 2 of those packs today. So let's head in to our app. Let's open up 2 of these packs and let's see what we get. Well, how awesome was that? We opened up 2 Charizard packs and we got an Executor EX and a Starmie EX. And we couldn't have done it without your help solving these great math multiplication problems. I had a ton of fun today, and I hope you had fun too. If you did, give me 2 big thumbs up. I want you to tell me what theme should we do for our next lesson in the comments below. And I will see you next time for some more math.